Now we talk about section B, which is prepositions, prepositions, حروف الجر. So first of all, we are going to define prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words like of, in, to, which, etc. You know, all these are prepositions. They are followed by a noun, noun phrase, personal pronoun, or noun substitute. A preposition, as we have said, usually is followed by either is followed by one of these four options. It could be followed by either a noun or a pronoun, a noun substitute, etc. All these types function as the complements of the prepositions. It means that a preposition could be followed by one of these four options. It could be followed by a noun, could be followed by a noun phrase, العبارة الاسمية, could be followed by a personal pronoun, ضمير شخصي, I, he, she, etc. and noun substitute or ضمير الاستبدالي. These four types of complements function as the object of the preposition. They function as the object of the preposition. So the preposition plus the complement form a prepositional phrase, like in the class. For example, in the class, here, in this example here, in is the preposition and the class is a noun phrase. The whole phrase in the class functions as a prepositional phrase, consists of the preposition in plus its complement, the class. There are types. Now we talk about types of prepositions. أنواع حروف الجر. Number one, types of preposition. Number one, only one syllable prepositions, like they are called monosyllabic prepositions. And then the two syllable prepositions, like bisyllabic prepositions, etc. And then number three, we have the ing prepositions. Examples like assuming, beginning, barring, concerning, considering, during, following, including, involving, pending, regarding, succeeding. So in general, as we have seen, there are three types of prepositions. One syllable prepositions, حروف الجر تتكون من مقطع واحد. They are called تسمى أحيانا monosyllabic prepositions. حروف الجر وحادية المقطع, like at, by, for, from, in, of, on, to, and which. Second type of prepositions, two syllable prepositions. حروف الجر ثنائية المقطع. They are called also bisyllabic prepositions. Examples of this type are about, two syllables, about, above, after, against, among, before, behind, below, beneath, between, beyond, despite, except, inside, into, outside, under, etc. The third type of prepositions are called ing prepositions. حروف الجر التي تنتهي بالing. Examples are assuming, beginning, barring, concerning, considering, during, following, including, involving, pending, regarding, and succeeding. For example, considering your loss, the bill will not be sent. Here, concerning your loss. Concerning is the preposition, where your lost is the complement of considering. All together, all together, considering your loss, is a prepositional phrase.